discover the best mini sticker printers that make labeling, decorating, and crafting fun and easy. Compact, portable, and user-friendly, these printers let you create custom stickers anytime, anywhere. Starting at number 1. Memoking Sticker Printer. The Memoking T02 Mini Sticker Printer is a compact, portable, and lightweight thermal printer that connects via Bluetooth to your Android or iOS device using the Phomemo app. Printing in monochrome, it allows you to create custom stickers with text, images, tables, emojis, QR codes, and more, with plenty of templates available in the app. Perfect for students, teachers, and small business use, it's ideal for flashcards, study notes, diagrams, memos, shopping lists, receipts, greeting cards, and DIY projects. Weighing just 3.52 ounces and smaller than a phone, it's easy to carry anywhere, and its inkless thermal technology makes printing quick and hassle-free. Great for school, work, or creative fun, the T02 is a versatile tool for learning, planning, and celebrations. Number 2. Phomemo Mini Sticker Printer. The Phomemo M02 Mini Sticker Printer is a compact, portable, and stylish Bluetooth thermal printer designed for effortless printing on the go. Compatible with Android 7.0 Plus and iOS 13.0 Plus, it connects easily through the Phomemo app, allowing users to print photos, text, notes, and creative designs instantly without the need for ink or toner. Its pocket-sized design, 3.3 by 3.2 by 1.6 inches, makes it highly convenient for travel, journaling, and daily use. With a wide range of templates, fonts, and editing tools in the app, it's perfect for students, professionals, and DIY lovers to create study notes, diaries, labels, shopping lists, and decorative stickers. Lightweight and efficient, the M02 combines portability with creative functionality, making it an ideal tool for home, school, and office organization. Number 3. HuiJuKeJi Mini Sticker Printer. The HuiJuKeJi Mini Sticker Printer is a compact and portable Bluetooth thermal printer designed for iOS and Android devices, making it easy to print notes, photos, labels, memos, and creative designs anytime, anywhere. It comes with 11 rolls of thermal paper, including both adhesive and non-adhesive types, giving users plenty of printing material right out of the box. Using the Tiny Print app, it supports text, images, tables, emojis, QR codes, and even AI-powered creative features for fun designs and cartoon-style prints. With its inkless thermal printing technology, it produces clear black and white output at 205 dpi without needing ink or toner. Lightweight and pocket-sized, it is ideal for journaling, study notes, business labels, and DIY projects, while its rechargeable battery and simple setup make it highly convenient for daily use at home, school, or travel. Number 4. HuiJuKeJi Mini Sticker Printer. The HuiJuKeJi Mini Sticker Printer, Yellow, is a compact and lightweight Bluetooth thermal printer designed for easy, inkless printing on the go. It connects to both iOS and Android devices through the Tiny Print app and allows users to print notes, photos, labels, QR codes, memos, and creative designs directly from their phone. This pocket-sized device, 82 by 82 by 45 mm, about 210 G, comes with 11 rolls of thermal paper, including both adhesive and non-adhesive types, making it ready for immediate use. Featuring a 205 dpi thermal print head, it produces clear black and white outputs without the need for ink or toner. It also includes AI-powered features in the app, such as image generation and cartoon-style photo conversion, making it useful for journaling, study notes, DIY projects, and organizing tasks. With its rechargeable battery and portable design, it is a practical tool for students, office use, and creative personal printing anywhere. Number 5. HuiJuKeJi Mini Sticker Printer. The HuiJuKeJi Mini Sticker Printer, Yellow, is a compact, pocket-sized Bluetooth thermal printer designed for quick and easy inkless printing from iOS and Android devices through the Tiny Print app. It comes with 11 rolls of thermal paper, including both adhesive and non-adhesive types, so you can start printing labels, notes, photos, QR codes, and memos right away. Using 205 dpi thermal technology, it produces clear black and white prints without needing ink or toner. Its small size, about 82 by 82 by 45 millimeters, and lightweight build make it highly portable for school, office, journaling, or travel use. The printer also includes upgraded AI features in the app, allowing users to generate images, convert photos into cartoon-style designs, and create creative prints from text prompts. With a built-in rechargeable battery and simple setup, it is a practical tool for organizing tasks, studying, and DIY creative projects anywhere.